The origin of life is one of the greatest mysteries that has puzzled scientists, philosophers, and thinkers for centuries. How life began on Earth remains a topic of intense debate and research, with various theories emerging over time. While some theories are grounded in scientific evidence, others delve into the realms of speculation and imagination. Here are 10 of the most mind-blowing theories about the origins of life. 1. The primordial soup theory. One of the earliest and most widely recognized theories is the primordial soup theory, first proposed by Alexander Oparin and John Haldane in the 1920s. This theory suggests that life began in a soup of simple organic molecules, like amino acids and nucleotides, in the Earth's early oceans. The theory posits that lightning or ultraviolet radiation triggered chemical reactions, forming more complex molecules that eventually led to the first living organisms. 2. The deep-sea alkaline hydrothermal vent hypothesis. Some scientists believe that life may have originated in the deep ocean, near alkaline hydrothermal vents. These vents spew out mineral-rich water at extremely high temperatures, creating a unique environment where chemical reactions could occur. The hypothesis suggests that the right conditions in these underwater, hot springs, could have given rise to the first self-replicating molecules, which eventually led to life. 3. The panspermia hypothesis. Panspermia is the theory that life may have originated elsewhere in the universe and was transported to Earth on comets, asteroids, or even space dust. According to this hypothesis, microorganisms or organic molecules from other planets could have survived the journey through space and found a suitable environment on Earth to thrive. While the theory doesn't explain how life began in the first place, it suggests that life might be more common across the universe than we think. 4. RNA world hypothesis. The RNA world hypothesis proposes that life began with ribonucleic acid, RNA, molecules, which have the ability to store genetic information and catalyze chemical reactions, similar to proteins. This theory suggests that RNA molecules were the first self-replicating systems, forming the foundation for more complex life forms. Over time, these RNA-based systems evolved into DNA and protein-based life forms, as we see today. 5. Clay hypothesis. The clay hypothesis suggests that complex organic molecules essential for life might have formed on the surface of clay minerals. The idea is that the porous structure of clay could have acted as a template, promoting the formation of complex molecules like RNA and proteins. Some clay minerals are known to have catalytic properties, which could have helped in the chemical reactions leading to life. 6. The hydrothermal pool theory. This theory builds upon the idea that life began in warm, shallow pools of water. Scientists propose that these pools, which were rich in minerals and exposed to sunlight, provided the ideal conditions for chemical reactions. As these compounds reacted with one another, they may have formed the first molecules that could replicate themselves, leading to the first forms of life. 7. The iron-sulfur world hypothesis. The iron-sulfur world hypothesis posits that life could have originated from simple molecules formed around iron and sulfur compounds, which are abundant in the Earth's early environment. This theory suggests that these elements, combined with energy sources such as heat from volcanic activity, could have led to the formation of the first organic compounds that eventually gave rise to life. 8. The life on Mars theory. Some scientists suggest that life on Earth may have originated from Mars, or at least from Martian material. According to this theory, Mars was once a habitable planet with liquid water and the necessary chemical elements for life. A meteorite impact may have ejected material from Mars, including microorganisms, into space, and some of this material may have landed on Earth, kickstarting life here. 9. The electric spark theory. The electric spark theory, inspired by the famous Miller-Urey experiment in 1953, suggests that life began through electrical discharges, such as lightning, in the Earth's early atmosphere. The experiment demonstrated that amino acids, the building blocks of life, could be formed when a mixture of gases, including methane, ammonia, and water vapor, was exposed to electric sparks. This theory suggests that lightning strikes could have provided the necessary energy to form the organic molecules that led to life. 10. The simulation hypothesis. One of the more philosophical and speculative theories is the simulation hypothesis. This theory suggests that life, as we know it, could be a simulated reality created by a more advanced civilization. Proponents of this idea argue that if future humans or other civilizations can create simulations of reality, it's possible that our entire existence is a part of such a simulation. While this theory is far from mainstream scientific thought, it poses a fascinating, if unprovable, perspective on the origins of life. The origins of life remain a fascinating and complex subject, with multiple theories attempting to explain how we came to be. From the primordial soup to the idea of life arriving from Mars, each theory presents a unique view of how life might have begun. While science continues to explore these possibilities, it's clear that the true answer could be even more surprising than we can imagine.